Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel and सगळ्यांक तुमकां देव बरी सांज दिवं because it is evening हिंगासर सांजे जाल्या सो देव बरी सांज दिवं तुमकां आनी मागता की तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतलीं सावध आनी भलायकेन. So today I am come up with again it's a mango घोटांचो season over here, so again I am come up with घोटाकोडी, that is mango curry in Goan green chutney, and this is without gur, without jaggery. Okay, this is going to be spicy and tangy and mixed flavor. So आज हांवें हाडले ही घोटाची आनी एक रेसिपी जी जावन आहा नो जॉगरी आनी नो शुगर. साखर तुमकां जाय जाल्यार उडयात इल्लीशी, बट हांव घालना. आनी ही जावन आसा आमची गोंयची चटणी जी आमी ग्रीन चटणी करता सँडविचीक लावपाक, तेजे हितून आंब्याची रेसिपी. तर तेका लागून जाय, सो वी नीड अरावंड 4 of this. You can add more, but I'm going to add 4 of this. You have to remove the skin and keep this ready to add. Then I have taken half coconut, grated coconut, then around 9 flakes of garlic, then a small piece of ginger, then a pulp of tamarind, a bunch of coriander leaves, then this is some curry leaves and some green chilies. Okay, so now we will keep this aside and wash our coriander leaves before adding it to the mixer. So this will go for the tadka. This will go for grinding. So we'll wash this and then add it to the mixer. तर कोंकणीनी सांगता, तर हांवें थोडी एक बंच ऑफ कोरिएंडर लिव्स घेतल्या, दॅट इज आमची कोथमीर, सुकी कोथमीरची पानां, 4 मिरसांगो, अर्दें वोयें नाल्ल, 9 गार्लिकाच्यो धाकटुश्यो पाकल्यो, एक धाकटुशी आमसाण आनी इल्लेशें आलें, करी पत्ता येतली फोडणी, आनी सांसवां, हे अगेन सांसवां, हे आंब्याचे सांसवां ग्रीन चटणीन. तर हे करी पत्ता आनी सांसवां पूण येतली फोडणी, आनी हे 4 आंबे. ओके, आतां धुता पयलीं ही आनी मागीर हे मिक्सरान वांटुया. ही धुवन हाडटा. सो हे घालया आतां. आनी हे बरें वांटून घेयात. साखर घालपाची गरज ना, कित्याक हितून आंबे गोड आसता. पयली रेसिपी दाखयल्या तुमकां हांवें, ती सगळी गोड आनी थोडोच मसालो, 2च मसालो घातलेलो. ती जावन आसा आमची विमलाची रेसिपी. ही जावन आसा म्हाजी रेसिपी, म्हाज्या घराम्याची रेसिपी तुमकां मागीर दाखयतली. उदक घालून वांटा. सो नाव वील ग्राइंड दीस टू फायन पेस्ट. सो एड वॉटर. The first recipe what I have shown is mango sasva. That you can always give it for your children because it is non-spicy. So we'll grind this. So here it is ready. वाटून तयार झाले. Now we'll do our next procedure. फोडणी मारया. Very simple, quick recipe जावन आसा ही. So we'll take around 1 small tablespoon of oil and make it hot. So I have added curry leaves in this. Now we'll add mustard seeds also. So एक कुल्ले mustard seed घालिया. आनी ह्यो मोटक्यो मिरसांगे. So I've added 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, little bit of curry leaves. Now I will add this whole. So now it is getting this. So we'll add our grounded masala. Now we'll add little water, whatever is needed, that much only. So आता इल्लें उदक घालता, सुबेज घालना. खतखतो येयलो म्हणटकूच वी विल एड अ मँगो. सो जो हो ह्यो खतखतो स्टार्ट जालो, आतां मँगो घालया. ओके. So once we get a boil, we will add our mango to this. So here it goes. And let this get mixed, and I will leave this for cooking for around 10 minutes. Now thick and thin, this like gravy, it's up to you. So for me this thickness is okay. We'll cover this and we'll cook this. So I've covered this, and now let it get cooked nicely. Till the mangoes are cooked in this and the flavors goes all together. Now at this stage we will add our salt to taste. Salt to taste, okay. Mix this. So another. It's yum, yum, yum. And the aroma is so good. Whoa, 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 whoa. So now it's ready to serve. Hope you all will enjoy. So आता ही तयार आसा. Okay, so hope you all will all enjoy this mangoचे सासवा in आमच्या गोंयच्या chutney मसाल्यान. So Goan mango saswa in Goan chutney masala, that is green color, green chutney. And so like some doesn't like mangoes, like sweet mangoes, so they can have this chutney, and the other one who relishes mango can enjoy mango. So it's 2 in 1. Thank you, and देव बरें करूं तुमकां.